fell asleep on the way to Ubud because it's like a 2-hour drive. And we're here. It's Bebek Tepi Sawah. Hi, Mom. You cool? This place is so pretty. Yum yum. The Bebek is here. Get this view. Oh my god, this is a very scary duck. We're here! We have an umbrella, guys. Yeah.
She's my queen. I'm her servant.
Oh my god. So when you enter, there will be a pool. And this is the bedroom. Look at it. So cute. With complimentary fruits. And what it looks like. The terraces. And here we have the bathroom. It's like an open shower concept. So let's hope there's nobody peeping at us. It's pretty cool. And a bathtub. And we have our own private pool. So it's 1.5 meters deep. I'm too short for it. And a kitchen. It's raining. Now we are at the Ubud Palace. Look at this! Hi! She's my dinner date tonight. So pretty! So we have a soup. Oh, you're so cute! Look at our
Always
cars.
serving with the king and queen.
Oh,
Always like
Queen!
Yeah.
She's my queen mother.
Yeah, queen mother.
Good morning! It's day 2 at Bali. And we're going to the, what's it? Giant swing and the rice terraces. But we already have like really nice terraces here. So pretty. We got our juice and it uses bamboo straws. Good job! Yummy! We are at the new Bali swing, and this is new for like 2 weeks, so I don't know, I might die, but we shall see. But this is how it looks like. So the swings are down there, and that's the whole view. It's the rice terraces. Today's a clear day, so it's not too bad. It's like a chill out area. It's just us. I just signed a waiver, so if I die, it's not their problem. Going to the coffee plantation. Say hi!
Hi! Welcome to Aloha. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you.
Yes. We are here at Tirta Empul Temple. So the temple is famous for the holy spring. Yes, the ticket it's like 50,000, 500,000 for an adult. So that's actually quite pricey. But I think it's gonna be really nice. She's really cool. Eating the fishes now. Yay! After lunch, we are here at Gunung Kawi. It's a temple where you have to hike downwards, I think. There's a lot of steps, so good luck. So usually the temples will have a lot of like art markets around. We are descending, so I have to wear this. Mommy has to wear like a sarong to cover her legs. I don't show my legs. They are sexy legs. To be honest, your legs are skinnier than mine. So we are currently outside the monkey forest, and it's also 50,000 entrance fee. It's actually really expensive for every like, I don't know, attraction because you have to pay a ticket. We're waiting for coffee because it's damn hot. Chilling at Casa Luna. Mega rain. That's kombucha. Tart. Satay. Yum! Morning. We ordered in-room breakfast for a swimming pool. So cool. Oh my god, there's a lot of dead insects today. Breakfast is ready, and look at my breakfast trying to float out of the platform. It's a beautiful morning, and it's very early. It's about 7:30 right now, so our driver will be coming to pick us up at 8:30, so I have like an hour, and shit, it's like a massacre of ants below me. Come on, let's take a look. Gross. This is what happens when you're living in like a villa near the forest. It's like insects everywhere. But it's still beautiful. Everyone is so nice. Hi! He's bringing us, no, he's not bringing us, but he showed us the way to the rice terrace. We are walking to the rice terrace. It's 100 meters walk, so it's like a morning hike. Time to burn off that breakfast. Oh my god. We're just chilling at this cafe because it's so hot, but it has like a spectacular view. Just look at it. Oh my god, this is literally like ridiculously insane. And there's like really nice flowers there. We're at the Bali Zoo. Actually, the main reason to come here is to eat with the tiger. But yeah. Morning!
The white
Here.
pepper?
We are done from the zoo and we are whisked to this like super pretty place. It's MyWarung. Apparently in Canggu it's like freaking amazing. Everybody raves about it in Canggu, so there's one in Ubud right now. Get all the happy customers. Whoa! It's insane. I love the decor. shopping at the art market. I bought a bag. Shopping. So cute. This is so cute. Hey guys, so currently we are at the new villa that we're going to stay for the next 2 nights. We decided to go back to the villa to rest because tonight I'm going to a Mount Batur hike which starts at 2 freaking AM. So yeah, we went shopping at Ubud Art Market and now we're done. So I want to show you guys this villa because it's like freaking amazing. So this is the entrance and let's walk in. And it tastes so delicious. It's like citrusy. Cucumber Fiji mojito. Cheers. So I'm currently preparing for a swim, but I just found something freaking amazing. This is like a control. Look at this. Dude! I know St. Regis has something like that, but like, I totally did not expect this to happen. Okay, I'm gonna stop it. So we're at the top and there's a lot of people. Look at it, everyone's everywhere. Trying to watch the sunrise, but it's like on and off because it's foggy. We are at a volcano. And there's lots of monkeys. Come on. Look at it. It's so cold. But passion is pain.
Guys like me.
Hi!
Hey, Bali guys. It's beautiful.
Thanks to him. Amazing. Hi guys, so I just finished the hike at Mount Batur. It was death, but it's very beautiful, so I think it's really worth it. Just be prepared to get your ass kicked. But right now I'm at this hot spring place, so apparently there's 2 and my driver told me that this is the better one. So it's called Toya Devasya. So there's like a couple of hot springs around, and with $400, 400k, you can get like breakfast along with your hot springs. So you definitely want this because after your hike you're gonna be like famished like I am. So I'm just gonna dig in right now. Ciao!